welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a day in the horse. Night was super hectic. I was just super tired and super hungry because जब भी मैं कहीं बाहर आती हूँ I cannot eat properly because I'm just so anxious. So yes, today I'm feeling good because at the सुबह I woke up to this beautiful view of the rain. I really wanted to film an intro here because वैसे तो मौका मिलेगा नहीं मुझे बहुत कम मौका मिल रहा है बोलने का so I'll probably be doing it at home. बाकी clips you guys can enjoy here and if I can film here with my voice that's going to be perfect. So yeah, I have a wedding to attend to today so I have to get ready for it. Or I woke up at 8 a.m. Right now it's 11:35 a.m. I just took a shower and I feel great right now. Let's just hope and manifest that I get to stay happy today because my mind does not let me stay happy, honest. So you guys, weather update. Lahore is hotter than Islamabad. That's a fact. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पे. At least वहाँ घर में तो सुकून होता है, यहाँ पे बहुत गंदी गर्मी है, honest. I am feeling so tired for some reason. Also, I'm just watching my comfort videos and some clips. Last night I even watched some clips of a Barbie movie to comfort myself. I am like so different from every other person. I'm such an introverted person. मतलब I cannot be in social gatherings for some reason. मतलब जब भी whenever I try to be in social gatherings I end up getting sick. इतनी देर से मम्मा पापा बाहर बुला रहे हैं कि आके नाश्ता कर लो सबके साथ. And I cannot go out for some reason. It's not that I don't want to get ready or something. I love getting ready. I would love to, but I'm sorry, I can't. I can't. I don't know what is wrong with me. Yeah, that was the update. Little update. Just lying in bed and looking at this view because this is so pretty for some reason. The sun looks nice and yeah. मैंने थोड़ा सा कर्टन खोला हुआ है. Yes, this is the only thing I'm looking at right now. I just had my breakfast and this is the second view that I'm having. This is actually somebody else's house, so I'm not showing anything else other than the views. I love this view. और पता है ऑनेस्टली ये व्यू जो है ना ये गर्मी को मतलब जितनी गर्मी हो रही है ना उस चीज़ को ईज आउट कर रहा है बिकॉज लुकिंग एट ग्रीन्स रियली हेल्प्स. इफ़ यू गाइज एवर फील नेगेटिव और हैव अ नेगेटिव वाइब ट्राई टू पुट up greens in your house or just put up a little plant, or if you have a house that is near to trees just get the room जिसके पास कोई tree हो because that would really help. So yeah, I just got ready. I have to meet some people and I'm not putting on any makeup yet because अभी शादी में मुझे ऑलरेडी तैयार होना है और अभी गर्मी भी बहुत है. Also इधर इतनी गर्मी है, I don't know why I'm ranting about it so much, but बहुत गर्मी है. And yes, this is my favorite view. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. और कल तो मैं बिल्कुल भी बोल के vlog नहीं कर पाई, आज I'm फिर भी trying थोड़ा बहुत. And yeah, this is the outfit and please ignore the shoes. So now I will go downstairs and meet some people. This is the completed look. This is the makeup look. are heading back, and I'm so glad we're heading back. Honestly, बहुत ज़्यादा crowded place थी, and my feet were hurting so much. And I'm so sorry for just complaining because I am just like that. So yeah, we are at a bakery and we are on our way back. It was meant to be a 3-day trip, but since I wanted to leave, we are going back home. Yes, I am such an introverted person. I am. And उस lens की वजह से such a bad headache and my eyes hurt so much. But thanks to the best YouTubers I know, वो इतने मज़े की videos डालते हैं. Wait, just let me lock the car. I'm just in the car and I love speaking to you all. Such bad separation anxiety from my cat. Honestly, I'll talk to you later. Just put some eye drops in my eyes. My eyes were hurting so bad. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am planning out another series of shoot. So I will be doing that really soon, inshallah. I am super excited to announce it with you all, the name of the theme and stuff. Super excited to announce it with you all. Other than that, just have a brownie right now. I really like that. What was it called? It was a crunchy brownie from Bundu Khan. It's the best. I have to recommend it to you all. You guys must try it from Lahore if you come here. It's the crunchy brownie by them. It's the best. Guys, अभी बारिश हुई है और इतनी ठंड हो गई है. I mean, we had some trouble driving because बारिश तेज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है and it's motorway, so the cars are speeding. Anyways, we are at a stop now. इतनी ठंड हुई हुई है, मतलब it's such a good weather right now. And I am so happy my social energy is out, but just for me. Can you guys imagine what I just said? Like, और उसके अलावा my eyes are drying up so fast. मुझे बार-बार आई ड्रॉप्स डालने पड़े अपने आँखों में. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna have some chips right now. Little hungry. Also, उसके साथ I'm gonna watch some downloaded YouTube videos because I'm not gonna waste my net. Yeah, that's it. I feel good now. My journey, guys. My healing journey. My healing journey by myself, guys. Okay, so it is quite some time later, quite some weeks actually later after I got back home from Lahore. I couldn't film that night because बहुत लेट हो गया था, मैं काफ़ी लेट घर पहुंची थी. उसके बाद स्काई भी आया था घर, तो थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल हो रहा था वो घर में. So I will tell you guys about this trip. First of all, um, okay, I'm not being ungrateful. Okay, fine. Listen, I really love getting ready. I love positive energy. I love being around good people. And I just love speaking, okay? But somehow this trip was a little too overwhelming for me because, meeting a lot of people is not something, I do quite often. It's just that me and my small circle, me and my two friends wali baat ho jati hai. Phir it is just me and my two friends all the time. Even sometimes me and my one friend. So, um, also my best friends are long distance and उनसे मैं ज़्यादा मिलती नहीं हूँ. But whenever I meet them, I feel so good. So I have, like I have a routine and you can say a habit or a thing to, like meet people जिनके साथ बैठूं मैं तो I feel super comfortable. Anyways, this trip was a little too overwhelming. Why? Because it was super 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 hot, hotter than here in Islamabad. And सम थिंग्स हैपेंड जो नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. मतलब वो दूसरी तरीके से प्लान थी मगर कुछ वजूहात की वजह से वो दूसरी तरीके से हो गई. सो तो कुछ चीज़ें गलत हो गई. What am I saying? Anyways, so it's like it was a short trip. I planned to go for 3 days, but we came on Thursday morning and attended an event on Thursday की शाम और रात को. फिर फ्राइडे को उठने के बाद वहाँ पे इवेंट अटेंड करने के बाद फ्राइडे ही रात को वी स्टार्टेड आवर जर्नी अगेन. एंड तभी हम इतना लेट पहुँचे बिकॉज आई हैड टू पिक अप स्काई फर्स्ट एंड व्हाट नॉट आई हैड टू डू. इट्स जस्ट दैट बहुत कुछ सब जल्दी जल्दी हुआ. वी कुडंट visit any other places because of the humid. I was literally dying and मैंने अपने पापा को बोला कि भाई मैं नहीं रुक सकती ज़्यादा देर, बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ पे. और इसके अलावा एटलीस्ट लाइक इस्लामाबाद हवा, आई वुड से हवा नहीं, वो तो कराची में होता है. आई वुड से इस्लामाबाद में घर जो है हमारा वो फिर भी थोड़ा ठंडा है, ठीक है. और यहाँ ज़ाहिर है अपने अपनी चीज़ों में इंसान जो है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होता है ऑलवेज़. मगर it's okay, it was a trip. But there are so many trips that I love. और जितना जितना मैं गई हूँ बहुत सी ऐसी जगह हैं जो मुझे बहुत प्यार रहा है उन जगहों से, स्पेशली कश्मीर and the northern areas. I loved. But it's even in 2022, back in 2022 November में I visited Lahore and it was a good trip. ठीक है, it was a really good trip because मौसम बहुत अच्छा था. It was like fog everywhere and it was so cold. उधर भी हम शादी अटेंड करने के लिए गए थे उस टाइम भी. So but this time it was really hot and जब गर्मी होती है तो मुझे गर्मी ज़्यादा लगती है और मुझे सर्दी कम लगती है. So I'm that kind of a temperature person. That was a little rant session. Thank you for bearing with me. And if you made it till this far of this video of me ranting about the weather, of me being anxious, like I am perfectly okay now. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for always supporting and understanding कि भाई क्या हो रहा है जो भी. Now let's just get to a good topic. Now we have 200 subscribers now and I am so grateful for each and every single one of you. I notice you guys and I love the comments. Each and every single comment I like and reply because it means the world to me. It's just everything I can dream of abhi. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.